Good morning everyone, my name is Lawi Chan and my metric number is 279672. Today I would like to explain about the question 1. The question 1 has been given in h equal to in s and over x. So we can use the question rule to solve the question. So next the in s is 1 and s is 2. After we find out the 1 and 2, we can find out the 1 prime and 2 prime. And 1 prime we use the derivative of logarithmic function. So the answer for 1 prime is 1 over x. Next we find out the 2 prime. We use the power law for the 2 prime. And the answer for 2 prime is 1. After find out 1 prime, 2 and 2 prime, we can insert in the question row. So this is the after insert 1 prime, 2 and 2 prime. And the final answer is 1 minus s over s squared. That's all for me. Thank you. Now we pass to the next person to explain the next question. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izam binti Idrus. My metric number 279480. Today I would like to present about the part A171, question 3E1. The equation given y equal ln e power 3x plus 2. There are two methods that we use. In first method, the chain rule for logarithmic function dy divide dx ln f x equal f prime x divide fx. For the second method, we use is power rule and derivative of constant. Okay, for the method 1, we use chain rule for logarithmic function. So the formula f prime x divide fx. So f prime x we will get e power of 3x plus 2, 3, and denominator fx e power of 3x plus 2. So we arrange by the formula. Then we get 3 e power of 3x plus 2 divide e power of 3x plus 2. So we will cancel out the same one, that which is e power of 3x plus 2. So we will get dy per dx equal to 3. Okay, for the method 2, we use the power rule and derivative of constant. So the formula ln e power of x equal to x, which is x stands for any real number, and ln e equal to 1. So we substitute ln e in the equation, so we get y equal 1 times 3x plus 2. So we expand the equation, we will get y equal 3x plus 2. So for derivative of constant y prime, 3x we will get 3 and 2 we will get 0. So finally we will get y prime equal to 3. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Huda Afifah binti Asta Ilmi, metric number 279643. Today I present question 3A, part A181, by using two methods, the product rule and the quotient rule. Look at the first method, we use the product rule. Look at the function given, fx equal to 4 over x squared plus 1, power 3 over 2. We use the product rule. Product rule involves two functions, fx and gx, but we use second alternatives. We replace with function 1 and function 2. Then we rewrite the function in form of fx equal to 4 times x squared plus 1 power negative 3 over 2. Because the product rule is not in form of division. So determine which is, then we determine which is function 1 and function 2. Function 1 is 4 and function 2 is x squared plus 1 raised to negative 3 over 2 power. Then find 1 prime. differentiate 1 with respect to x, derivative of 4 is 0. To find 2 prime, we use the general power rule. Hash x equal to fx raised to power n. N is variable. Fx is x squared plus 1. N is negative 3 over 2. H prime x equal to, then we proceed to find 2 prime. N is negative 3 over 2 times fx. Fx is x squared plus 1. N is negative 3 over 2 minus 1. So we will get negative 5 over 2. F prime x equal to 2x. Bring 2 in front of x. We will get 2x. To get 2x, we can use another formula by using the power rule. Derivative of x power n. X is x, n is square, equal to nx to x. N is 2 minus 1, we will get 2x. Then 2x times negative 3 over 2, we will get 2x times 3, negative 3 over 2, we will get negative 3x times x squared plus 1 power negative 5 over 2. Then proceed to find f prime x. Insert into the formula. 1 is 4. 2 prime is negative 3x times x squared plus 1 raised to negative 5 over 2 power. Plus is compulsory. 2 is x squared plus 1 power negative 3 over 2. Times 1 prime is 0. Then simplify the expression, we will get negative 12x times x squared plus 1 power negative 5 over 2. Then simplify again, we will get negative 12x over x squared plus 1 power 5 over 2. Second method is the quotient rule. Look at the function given, fx equal to 4 over x squared plus 1 power 3 over 2. The quotient rule involves two functions. Then we use second alternatives, which replace with function 1 over function 2. Look at the techniques. The technique is 2 times 1 prime minus 1 times 2 prime over 2 square. Square and minus is compulsory. Then find function 1 and function 2. Function 1 is 4. Function 2 is x squared plus 1 power 3 over 2. Then 1 prime get 1 prime. 1 prime differentiate 1 with respect to x. Derivative of 4 is 0. Then find 2 prime by using the general power rule. Hx equal to fx raised to n power. So x squared, fx is x squared plus 1, n is 3 over 2. Then use the techniques to find 2 prime. N is 3 over 2, fx is x squared plus 1, n is 3 over 2 minus 1, we will get 1 over 2. F prime x is 2x. F prime x, we differentiate x squared, we will get 2x. Bring 2 in front of x, we will get 2x. Then by using another formula to get 2x, we use the power rule. Power rule, x power n is x squared. Then equal to nx to x power n is 2 minus 1, we will get 1. So we will get 2x. Proceed to find f prime x. Just insert into the formula. 2 is x squared plus 1 over power 3 over 2 1 prime is 0 minus 1 is 3x times 1 is 4, 2 prime is 3x times x squared plus 1 power 1 over 2 over x squared over 2 x squared plus 1 power 3 over 2 square. Then we simplify the expression, the entire expression. So we will get negative 12x times x squared plus 1 power 1 over 2 over x squared plus 1 power cube. 3 over 2 minus 2. 3 over 2 times square equal to 3 cube. Then f prime x equal to negative 12x over x squared plus 1 power 5 over 2. Because the prime expression above and expression below is same, so we put into the below. We put in the below and then 3 times 2. Then 3 minus 1 over 2, we will get 5 over 2. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Teaching Yi. Metric number 279778. We'll be presenting about the solution for the extra question. To solve the question, we have to use the product rule. So the formula for the product rule is uv prime plus vu prime. So in order to find the value for the v prime and the u prime, we have to use two others rule, which are the sum rule and the general power rule. Next, find the value for u prime, v and v prime. In this case, the value for u and v already given in the question, so we don't have to find it. We just have to find the value for v prime and u prime. For u prime, you just have to insert the number you have into the sum row, and then you can get the number 5 for the answer. Same goes to the v prime. We can insert the number into the general power row, and then we can get the answer 9, 3x plus 4 square. Since we already have the value for u prime, v and v prime, the next step we have to do is just insert them into the product rule. So after insert the number, you can get the solution like this. So at this kind of stage, we have to find the common factor for both sides. So the common factor for both sides obviously is 3x plus 4 square. So we have to move it in front, and the other number we have to move it behind. And then you can solve it and simplify it. At the end, you can get the answer 3x plus 4 square and then 60x plus 11. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand.